Alabama AG says some CBD from hemp now legal. Updated as of December 12, 2018. A display about products made from hemp that was shown at the Alabama State House in 2016 when lawmakers passed a bill authorizing research on growing hemp for industrial uses. A display about products made from hemp that was shown at the Alabama State House in 2016 when lawmakers passed a bill authorizing research on growing hemp for industrial uses. Alabama Attorney General Steve Marshall has updated a public notice on the legal status of cannabidiol because of a provision in the Farm Bill that received final passage today in Congress. The Farm Bill legalizes industrial hemp beyond pilot programs that Congress authorized in 2014. Marshall's office said that means cannabidiol derived from hemp and containing no more than 0.3% THC is legal to produce, sell and possess in Alabama. Cannabidiol, also called CBD, can also be derived from marijuana. Hemp and marijuana are related, but hemp contains far less THC, the intoxicating substance in marijuana. Marshall's updated notice today says that CBD derived from marijuana remains illegal to produce, sell or possess in Alabama, as the earlier public notice said. The AG's office said it issued the original public notice in November in response to questions about the expanding sale of CBD and products containing it across the state. The notice clarified the narrow exceptions created by the Alabama legislature when it passed Carley's Law in 2014 and Leahy's Law in 2016. Carley's Law provides an affirmative defense from prosecution for people with debilitating epilepsy who have a prescription for CBD authorized by the UAB Department of Neurology. Carley's Law is scheduled to expire on July 1, 2019. Leahy's Law applies the affirmative defense against prosecution for CBD possession to additional people, those who are being treated for a chronic or debilitating condition that causes seizures. For the defenses under Carley's Law and Leahy's Law to apply, CBD can only contain 3% or less of THC, the intoxicating substance in marijuana. In October, the Alabama Department of Public Health authorized the medical use of FDA-approved drugs that contain CBD. Doctors can provide the drug Epidiolex to treat two forms of epilepsy, Lennox-Gastaut syndrome and Dravet syndrome. The read of the updated notice. STATOFLABAMA. Office of the Attorney General. Steve Marshall. Attorney General. November 20, 2018. Updated on December 12, 2018. Public notice. From Steve Marshall, Alabama Attorney General, Hal Taylor, Secretary of the Alabama Law Enforcement Agency, Barry Madsen, Executive Director of the Office of Prosecution Services, Angelo Delamana. Director of the Alabama Department of Forensic Sciences. Subject: Guidance on Alabama law regarding the possession, use, sale, or distribution of CBD. Note: this notice has been updated to reflect recent action by the U.S. Congress regarding cannabidiol, CBD, derived from industrial hemp. On December 12, 2018, the U.S. House of Representatives gave final passage to the Agricultural Improvement Act of 2018 which is expected to be signed into law. This bill contains a provision legalizing industrial hemp, beyond the existing pilot programs passed by Congress in 2014. As a result of this congressional action, CBD derived from industrial hemp, with a THC concentration of not more than 0.3% on a dry weight basis, can be legally produced, sold, and possessed in the state of Alabama. However, as stated in the bill, the new federal law will not prevent states from adopting laws to restrict or regulate the production of industrial hemp. Furthermore, prescription drugs and other consumables containing CBD will be regulated by the U.S. Food and Drug Administration. The guidance below still applies to CBD derived from marijuana or CBD derived from hemp with above a 3%, 3/1000ths, THC concentration on a dry weight basis. Recent questions surrounding the legality of cannabidiol, CBD, suggest that a brief explanation and review of several relevant Alabama criminal laws might be helpful to the public. Section 13(8)12(2)12 of the Alabama Criminal Code makes it illegal to possess or receive a controlled, regulated substance, while sections 13(8)12(2)13 to 214 specifically address the possession of marijuana, punishable by a Class A misdemeanor when possessed for personal use or by a Class C felony when possessed for reasons other than personal use. Please subscribe, please hit the like button, please tell us what you think.